Maayong adlaw mga higala, this is your Maestra Judy. In this video, I'm going to teach you the 6 basic greetings in Bisaya Cebuano. Maayong buntag, maayong udto, maayong hapon, maayong gabi, maayong adlaw, kumusta or kumusta ka? I am going to break it down word for word so that you can understand better. And I'm going to teach you how to pronounce it properly. Let's start. Good morning. Ma-a-yong buntag. Ma-a-yong buntag. Maayong buntag. Maayo means good. Buntag means morning. Next, good noon. Ma-a-yong udto. Ma-a-yong udto. Maayong udto. Udto means noon. Next, good afternoon. Ma-a-yong hapon. Ma-a-yong hapon. Good afternoon. Maayong hapon. Hapon means afternoon. Next, good evening. Ma-a-yong gabi. Ma-ayong gabi. Maayong gabi. Gabi means evening. Next, good day. Ma-ayong adlaw. Ma-ayong adlaw. Adlaw means day. Maayong adlaw. Now, the last one we have, how are you? Kumusta ka? Kumusta ka? Kumusta ka? Kumusta is derived from the Spanish word como esta. We also use kumusta to say hello. Kumusta? I'm going to share with you 3 ways to answer kumusta ka. The first one we have maayo man. Maayo man. Remember, maayo means good. This is basically saying I'm good. Maayo man. The man here is like an emphasis. Now the second one is okay ra. Okay ra. Okay ra. The ra here means just. Just okay. Now the third one we have mao ra gihapon. Maora gihapon. Maora gihapon. Again, ra means just. Gihapon is the same. Gihapon, maora gihapon means just the same. Now, you may notice that there is an NG after maayo. The NG is actually the nga linker. We are going to discuss the nga linker in another video. Mag-practice ta. Let's practice. Now, can you still remember good morning? Yes, that's maayong buntag. How about good noon? That's maayong udto. Good afternoon. Maayong hapon. Yes, you got it right. The next one, we have good evening. Maayong gabi. Good day is maayong adlaw. And then the last one is, how are you? Yes, that's kumusta ka. And if you want to say hello, you just say kumusta. Okay? Well done, mga higala. Now, if you want to practice more, you can always rewind this video. That's all for today, mga higala. Just below this video, we have an application that you can use. We have 5 study modes that you can choose from. I hope you're going to use it to your benefit. In the application, you can choose test yourself, flashcards, matching games, and then spelling, and the learning mode. If you are always on the move, our audio files can also be downloaded. We have provided PDF files for the lesson notes and for the flashcards. That's all for today. Thank you so much for being a patron. I hope to see you in another video. Daghang salamat ug amping kanunay. Bye!